Díocuit agus fáilte arás. Last week I was away in America on holidays. I was in Florida. So I took the opportunity to make some Irish language videos while I was on my travels. So you will see me speaking Irish now very soon, outside some famous places in Orlando and Miami. But first of all, I left from Dublin Airport. Díocuit, faoi láthair, tá mé san airport I Baile Átha. Hello, at the moment I'm in Dublin Airport. Tá mé san airport I Baile Átha. Mar tá mé ag imeacht sire thar lár, because I'm off on a foreign holiday or I'm off on an overseas holiday. Tá mé ag imeacht sire thar lár. Tá mé ag dul go America. I'm going to America. Orlando agus Miami go sunrach. Orlando and Miami specifically. Tá mé ag tanú leis. I'm looking forward to it. Tá mé ag tanú leis. Beg mé ag etalt le Aer Lingus. I will be flying with Aer Lingus. Beg mé ag etalt le Aer Lingus. I will be flying with Aer Lingus. Aer Lingus means air fleet. Aer Lingus, air fleet. Tá mé an seo I Universal Studios, Florida. Agus tá sé bio le Tourasóirí. I am here in Universal Studios, Florida, and it is bustling with tourists. Universal is a theme park, Park Héama theme park, Park Héama, about television and the film industry. Telefís agus tionscail na scannála. Bíonn go leor Tourasóirí ag tarraingt an counter. Lots of tourists are attracted to this place. Bíonn go leor Tourasóirí ag tarraingt an counter. And three words that I would use to describe Universal would be úntach, which is wonderful or exciting, spéisiúil, which is interesting, and faisnéiseach, which is informative or educational. Faisnéiseach, informative or educational. Faoi láthair, tá mé an seo I Kennedy Space Center, Orlando, Florida, agus tá sé ar aus ar fad. At the moment I'm here in the Kennedy Space Center, Florida, and it's absolutely amazing. Since we're here, let's talk about some terms, words and phrases to do with astronomy and space. An chruinne is the Earth. An chruinne. Gialach is the moon. Gialach. Réalta is a star. Réalta. Spáisiúra is an astronaut. Spáisiúra. Spáistás céilíocht is space exploration. Spáistás céilíocht. And Spásamhuig is outer space. Cuire rockade amach sa spás. A rocket was put out into space. Cuire rockade amach sa spás. Tain an down heart an green. The earth goes around the sun. Tain an down heart an green. Agus there. Neil Armstrong, an chéad an ngealach. Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon. An chéad an ngealach. Tá mé an seo san óstán in Miami Beach. I'm here at the hotel in Miami Beach, the Gates Hotel that is. Faoi láthair tá sé ag cur báistí, ach níl aon scá farringe agam. At the moment it's raining, but I've no umbrella. Is óstán compordach agus tá linn snábe faoin air ag an óstán. It's a comfortable hotel and it has an outdoor swimming pool. Linn snábe faoin air, outdoor swimming pool. Tá an tóstán in áit bha in aice leis an trá. The hotel is in a great location beside the beach. Tá an tóstán in áit bha in aice leis an trá. Féach seo, Miami Beach atá ann. Tá an trá go híomhann. Look here, this is Miami Beach, and the beach is heavenly. Faoi láthair, tá sé ceart go leor, ach inné bhí sé fíortha. At the moment it's all right, but yesterday it was very hot, or incredibly hot. Fíortha. Meallan an trá seo a lán Tourasóirí. This beach attracts a lot of tourists. Meallan an Srá Seo a lán tuarasóirí. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more similar videos. You can also hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a new Irish language video. Thanks very much for watching. Gurb magat agus slán go fóill.